Finding the quadratic equation whose roots are a given values is like working from the bottom to the top. So we are going to use the bottom to the top approach in finding the quadratic equation that has these roots. Now, from the quadratic equation, we can have the value of x to be equal to 2 divided by 3, and we can also have the value of x to be equal to negative 3 divided by 4. So if you are asked to look for this, you take it back to where it is. To equate these two values to 0, we'll have our x minus 2 divided by 3 as an equation to be equal to 0. And then we'll have our x, once we add both sides by 3 divided by 4, we'll have this as x plus 3 divided by 4 as an equation that will be equal to 0. So for us to get the quadratic equation, we need to multiply these two factors of the equation. So we'll have our x minus 2 divided by 3 multiplying x plus 3 divided by 4. I told you we're going to take it from the bottom to the top approach. So x will multiply x, and then this same x will multiply this. So that will give us x squared, right? X times x will give us x squared. Then x times 3 divided by 4 will give us plus 3 divided by 4x, right? So this will multiply this, and this will multiply this, and this will still multiply this. So that will give us minus 2 divided by 3 multiplied by x will give us minus 2 divided by 3x. Then that will give us plus, we'll have 2 divided by 3, which is negative, multiplied by, that will be multiplied by 3 divided by what? 3 divided by 4. And this will be equal to 0. Now this will clear this, and 2 divided by 4 is going to give us 2. So we'll have this to become x squared plus 3 divided by 4x minus 2 divided by 3x, and this is going to be minus times plus is going to give us a negative. 2 will clear this to give us 1 divided by 2, and this expression will be equal to 0. Fine. So all we need to do is to simplify. Now to simplify further, we are going to simplify this term. Let's simplify this term. The common term over here is 12, right? So 12 divided by 4 is going to give us 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. That will give us 9x minus 12 divided by 3 will give us 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8x. And this will be minus 1 divided by 2 equal to 0. Over here we'll have x squared, we have not forgotten you, plus this. So if we simplify that, we are going to have our x squared plus this minus this will give us x divided by 12, that is 9x minus 8x, and this will be minus 1 divided by what? 2, and this will be equal to 0. Now we want to clear the whole fraction, and to clear the whole fraction, let us multiply through by 12. So we'll have 12 times x squared will give us 12x squared plus x divided by 12 multiplied by 12 minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 12, and this will be equal to 0. So 12 will clear 12, and then 2 here will give us what? 6 over here. So we'll have 12x squared plus This is going to give us x minus 6 to be equal to 0. And that is the quadratic equation of those two roots that we are given to us above there. So you see, finding the quadratic equation of a given root can be solved from the bottom to the top. So just quietly take it from the bottom until you get the solution to that question. I know you did find this solution interesting. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more simplified mathematics solution. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.